Hi, my name is Dr. Rudra Mohan and this is the Oral Health channel. Today we are going to be talking about best ways to practice oral hygiene. Let's start. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to maintain your oral hygiene on a regular basis in your daily routine. The first thing in the morning that you need to do is do a mouth rinse with a mouthwash because of two reasons. Firstly, whatever plaque and bacteria that has been accumulating in your mouth while you were sleeping will get washed off. Secondly, the flavoring agents are very freshening to you, so you will feel more awake because of the mouth rinse. Now make sure you're diluting the mouth rinse 1:1 to water because a lot of mouthwashes contain alcohol and that can be irritating to your oral mucosa. It is always better to wait at least half an hour after your mouthwash so that you can start brushing your teeth, as the toothpaste contains surfactant that kind of deactivates the mouthwash in your oral cavity and kind of defeats the purpose. After 30 to 45 minutes of doing the mouthwash, you can go ahead with your toothbrushing and flossing, followed by a gum massage, and then you can go about your day. Remember, even if you're having a small morsel or a piece of food or anything, or even any sort of beverage, remember to rinse your mouth with water after every meal or any sort of ingestion of any food item. Once you're done with the day, you can go back again, do the toothbrushing, the flossing and the gum massage, and half an hour to 45 minutes later, you can do the mouthwash and go back to sleep. So this was today's episode. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for important updates. At the same time, if you want to follow me on social media, these are my social media handles, and if you want to do a WhatsApp consultation, please kindly message me before giving me a call, as I might be busy otherwise, or I might be with a patient. Thank you.